A Philadelphia police officer was reportedly found unresponsive inside of her patrol car last night. A6 ABC Action News report said the officer was found unresponsive in her patrol car on the 1800 block of South Columbus Boulevard at around 9 p.m. on Friday night. The officer was rushed to Thomas Jefferson University Hospital where she was pronounced dead. The officer reportedly suffered a medical emergency, but the nature of the emergency was not reported at this time. The officer, who has been identified as 44-year-old, 24-year veteran of the force, Linnies Hill, who was assigned to the 3rd District as a school officer.